Have you ever wondered how a professional counselor can assist you in your career journey? The term counseling is often misunderstood and misinterpreted. In our daily lives, we frequently find ourselves either giving or receiving advice. What do you think is the difference between advice and professional counseling, and mistakenly call it counseling? However, there is a significant difference between giving advice to a friend or family member and receiving counseling from a professionally trained counselor.
Psychological testing or assessment, also known as psychometrics, is the systematic use of tests administered by psychologists to quantify human behavior, abilities and aptitude, and to make predictions of their psychological performance.
India has a population of more than 1.3 billion. It is not surprising that it has the largest school educational system in the world. We cannot claim that it provides the best quality education. However, education has been on the rise. It now has a place in the top half of US News and World Report's rankings of 80 countries for best in education.
Are you struggling to find the right path in your counseling career? A counselor is a person trained to give guidance on personal or psychological problems. A counselor applies psychological theories, techniques, and interventions to work with clients to improve mental health, wellness, personal growth, relationships, or career development. Understanding the expectations of students and parents. Parents play a significant role in the education and career decisions of their children. Children often feel more comfortable with their decisions when they have parental approval.